make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you are well. It feels very weird to be filming again. I haven't filmed a video in a very long time. I think it's been about 2 months, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm back. Hi, how you doing? Obviously there's a lot going on at the moment. I hope you're all safe, I hope you're all well. Yeah, really weird situation. I feel like we're kind of in a zombie apocalypse, but thankfully without the zombies, because I just don't think I'd survive very long. But I hope you guys are safe in all seriousness, and I hope you're well. Feel free to leave me a comment down below, we can have a little chat, and yeah, I just hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be doing a Disneyland Paris haul, because if you haven't seen my vlogs, go and watch them. But I went to Disneyland Paris last month and I didn't buy a lot of things, I feel. I bought kind of a substantial amount of things, probably more than I needed to buy, let's be real, but I haven't bought so much. So I'm gonna jump right in with the video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So when I was away, I bought 2 plushes. Now I didn't need them and I need to stop buying them because it's getting to a point where I have no room for them anymore, so I need to stop buying plushes. However, when I went to Disneyland Paris back in, when did I go last? December? November? When did we go? Was it December? Around Christmas time. I went to Disneyland Paris with Holly obviously, and I saw this and I didn't buy it, and I wanted to buy it, so I went back to go buy it and it was gone. So as soon as I saw it, I literally bought it straight away. I think it was like the first thing I bought, and I'm very glad I did. And that is the Mike Wazowski, I think it's called like a Little Big Feet or something. It's got the big feet, I don't know. But how cute is that? Like, it's adorable. They had a Stitch one as well, which I really wanted, but I needed to control myself because I'd already bought 2 plushes. The second one I'll show you in a second. I can't remember how much it was. I think he was like 25 euros, something like that. So not overly expensive. Did I need him? No. But I'm glad I bought him because he's cute. So yeah, that was my first purchase. The second plush I got, I wanted again the trip before, but I didn't get him, and I just couldn't not, and I feel like I definitely didn't need him at all, but yeah, I bought him anyway, and that is the Sleepy Sven. Look how cute. Like, I actually love him. The only thing that's annoying is his antlers are just like really kind of big, but he's really cute. Look at his little face. He's really sweet. I love the cuddly, what are they called? Like the cuddly toys that have come out, so they're all like asleep. Do you know what I'm on about? I think you might, I don't know. I bought the Dumbo one on my last trip, which I forgot to show you guys in my haul video, which was really annoying, and I've got the Stitch one and I've got the Lotso one, so I got the Sven one, and he was about 30 euros. So yeah, absolutely love him, and I couldn't leave him, so I squished him in a carrier bag on my way back, so love that. Really cute. Next up, moving on to ears. I bought 2 pairs of ears this time, and I'm in love with both of them. The first pair I really wanted, and I saw they'd come out back in, I think it was January, or it was just after we'd left on the last trip, and that is the Belle of the Bronze ears. Now don't mind this bit of rope, it's where I hang them on my wall, but I didn't want to untie it for the video, so there's a bit of rope on it, so do ignore that. But these are the Belle of the Bronze ears. The bow is absolutely stunning, like it's so nice. A very big bow compared to a few of the other pairs, I feel, but it's just really nice. So yeah, got these, and I think these were about 20 euro, something like that. The only thing with these, it's got like a really massive like tag on it, and I don't know why, so I'm gonna have to cut that down or something because that's just really annoying. But yeah, got these, absolutely love those. The second pair of ears I bought because I saw them on Instagram, and I messaged Holly and I was like, Holly, we just need these. And I'm quite impressed I did not buy the Spirit jersey, because the Spirit jersey was unbelievable. It was so nice, but Holly was like, do you really need it? And I was like, no, but it's just really nice. I didn't need it, so I didn't buy it, but I did get the ears, and these are the Little Mermaid coral ears. I can't remember what the actual name of the collection is, but it's these ones anyway. And yeah, they're so lovely. The actual sequins and the bow is like holographic-y, so you can kind of see loads of colours. But yeah, see what I mean? On this one, it's really small, but on the other one the tag was really big, so I have no idea what that's about. I believe these ones were also about €20, I think, if I remember rightly, so just the standard pricing for ears. But these are just so nice, like they're stunning. So these ones are absolutely stunning. I love them. Obviously couldn't resist because firstly it's the Little Mermaid and secondly it's a new pair of ears, so that was the second pair of ears I bought. And now moving on to pins. Now every time I go to Disney I say to myself, 1, don't buy too many pins, and 2, don't buy too many pins. And every time I go to Disney I buy too many pins and I don't know why. I have nowhere for them to go. They're literally just on my lanyards, like doing nothing, so I don't know why I keep buying them, but I can't help myself. So the first pin is actually not a Disneyland pin. Holly got me this one, and this is a Squirt from Finding Nemo driving school pin. It's so cute. I will do close-ups of all the pins as well, just so you guys can see them, but this one's so cute. And again, it's not a Disney official pin, but still I just think it's really sweet, so I got that one. The next pin I got is the Winnie the Pooh and Piglet pin. This one is an orange one, and I believe this one was $9.99, I think. Really cute, just love it, just could not get it, so popped that in my basket, and it's just adorable, so got that one. The next one I got is the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. Now Alice in Wonderland is one of my all-time fave films, and I saw this and was like, I just have to have it. I already have a White Rabbit and an Alice pin, so I had to get myself the Cheshire Cat pin. This one was green, so I think that is $6.99, so not too expensive. The next pin I believe has been out for a little while, and this is the Little Mermaid and Prince Eric wedding pin. Really cute. The Little Mermaid is my favourite film, Disney film, so I had to get my hands on this one. Again, it was an orange, so probably around €10, and it's just really pretty, so absolutely love that one. And anything Little Mermaid, I just feel like I need it, so that's why I got that one. They've also recently repackaged a lot of the pins, so they have kind of backs that match the film that they're from, if that makes sense. Usually they're kind of all black like this one, but they've brought out some new ones. So this is a Little Mermaid one where she's got Flounder. This one was just really cute, and the back of it is just really nice too. Again, this was an orange, so about €10. And yeah, just absolutely stunning, so I love that one. Similarly, I can't say that word. Similarly, doesn't sound like a word anymore. Similarly to that one, they also brought out some new Aladdin pins, and I got the Princess Jasmine, and what is her tiger called? Holly's going to be screaming it at the video. What is her tiger called? Can't remember, but it's one of those ones. Anyway, it's really cute. Again, the back is really pretty as well, and this one was an orange, so probably about €10 again, not too sure, but that one is so cute, and I don't know, I just thought it was really nice, and I really liked the kind of gold like outline of this one. It was just really different because usually they are silver, so it was just really nice. And the last two pins I got were new releases very recently for when we got there. The first one is the Goofy Tower of Terror pin. This was $6.99, and it was just adorable. And the reason I got this one was because I could not find the Stitch ones anywhere, and that's the one I wanted, and I just couldn't find it anywhere, so I was like, you know what, I don't have a Goofy pin, so I got this one, and it's really cute. However, while we were queuing to go and meet Chewbacca, Holly sort of popped off and had a little look about while we were waiting, so we were in that queue for over 2 hours, so it was quite a long time, and she came back and she was like, you'll never guess what I found. And I was like, what did you find? And she found the Stitch Tower of Terror pin. These were unbelievably hard to find. He's just really cute. He's got some scissors and he's just hanging, and it's like a dangly pin. I don't have any dangly pins, so it was just really cute. And yeah, absolutely love him, so I'm really glad that she managed to get me one. Again, thank you, Holly. Absolutely obsessed with him. And that is everything for this video. Like I said, I didn't really buy overly much this trip. I probably spent a lot of money, but I didn't really come back with a lot of things. Usually I come back with a Spirit jersey or some form of like jumper, probably more ears sometimes, but they didn't really have a lot of new ears out at the time, so I didn't really buy many of those. But yeah, to be honest, that's kind of all I've bought. I didn't really go too crazy, so I hope you guys are proud. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said at the start, I do hope you guys are safe and well, and obviously it is a very hard time at the moment, so feel free to have a little chat in the comments. Just let me know how you guys are doing, because I do hope you are well. And yeah, obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!